Today we're going to take a look and learn more about Simplified.com. So Simplified.com is a digital design platform that helps you to create content, also scale your brand and collaborate with your team. There are a lot of features that Simplified offer to you, and we're going to try some of them today. We're going to start by looking at their product. As you can see over here, if you click on the product sections on the top side menu bar, you can see that they offer you tools for graphic design, AI writer, video editor and animation, and also for your social media engagement. You can also several key features that they have, such as AI presentation maker, AI image generator, AI background remover, magic resizer, animation maker, and so on and so on. What you can do to simplify it are that you can create things like posts and stories, online ads for your Facebook feed ads, billboard ads. You can also create e-commerce and also letterhead invoices and business cards for your business. And if you are signing up to their Pro membership, you can also create some videos for your Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, Pinterest video pins, and also TikTok video. You can explore more of their design and video templates by simply clicking Explore Design Templates or Explore Video buttons. On the writing section, you will be able to see what are the things that these AI tools are going to help you with. The AI tools in Simplified are going to help you if you ever need to create some hashtag generator, YouTube video titles, photo captions, some content rewriter, some blog ideas and title, even up to meme generator. Simplified can also help you with your social media scheduling, social media planning, and up to social media analytics. Simplified have different pricings for different tools. So if you would like to see each pricings for each tools that you would like to use, you can just go ahead and click at the pricing area and click which tools you would like to explore. Now, the first thing you would have to do in order to enjoy Simplified's features are signing up to their page. They're going to allow you to enjoy free trials where you can try out some of their features. And in order to do that, after you signing up, we're going to have to create our workspace. You can also invite some of your teams if you ever want to share, whether it's your creation or maybe you would like to share some schedules or some documents with your friends and with your teams. You can go ahead and input their email in invite your teammates sections. After you've finished creating your workspace, we can now finally begin to try simplified features. In case you were still unsure on how to use it, you can go ahead and watch the tutorial that they provided on the downside of your dashboard screen. Today, I'm going to start by trying to create a new document. In this part of the tutorial, we're going to try out the writing AI tools. So over here, we can see that we have credits with a number of 7,000 written on the top menu of our Simplified. And what it means that for every project, we're going to have a limit use, and my limit use now is 7,000. If we want to add more credits to our project or to our account, we can go ahead and buy it on the pricing sections of Simplified. So now I'm going to start working on my documents, and the first thing I would like to do is to rename my document, and we can do that by double clicking the top side of our document menu. To start our writings, we can try to create some ideas with the help of AI by clicking on the AI input menu. So today I am asking the AI to help me build my social media engagement. And I can also click the advanced options for more details of my result. I can choose the amount of result that I would like. I can also determine the creativity level. They have 5 creativity levels that we can choose. There are also selections of tone, like whether I want my tone to be professional, informal, optimistic, pessimistic, joyful, sad, sincere, hypocritical, fearful, and so on. You can also change the output, the language of your output by clicking on the output language sections. They have variety of languages that you can choose, so your idea is not going to be limited only in English language. After I'm done filtering my output, I'm going to go ahead and click generate. And as you can see, the AI have created some sentences for me. Now, what you can do next is that you can copy those suggestions to your document either by clicking the copy buttons, or you can also just click the plus buttons on the left side of the mini menu bar on top of each result. If you like the result that you're seeing, you can go ahead and click the heart sign. And what it does is that it's adding your result that you like to your favorite, and it's going to help the AI to generate more results like that in the near future. But if the opposite, you don't like the result that you're seeing, you can just go ahead and click on the dumpster bin icon, and what it does, it's going to delete that result, and it's also going to tell the AI at the same time that you don't like that kind of suggestion. So it's going to stop giving you the kind of suggestion that you dislike in the near future. After you add your main idea to your documents, you can go ahead and highlight it to see what else can you do with that sentence. You can improve it, continue it, shorten it, or expand it. And I'm going to try to improve this sentence, and what it does is that it gives me some more sentences to elaborate my main idea. And when you choose expand, it's going to create more sentences to explain the main idea that you already have. Now, let's say that I don't like the result that they're showing me. I can just go ahead and click improve, and it's going to create another expanded result from my main idea. I kind of like this result that they're making for me, so I'm just going to go ahead and put all of this into my document for now. Besides using the AI inputs on the right side of our screens, you can also create whatever it is you need directly on your documents. You can do that by clicking on the yellow plus sign on the left side of your document, and then you can just go ahead and type out things that you needed to find out. As for now, I'm asking the AI to create 5 tips to build social media engagement for me. If I ever want to share this document to other people and I would like to see how this document looks like to the people that I'm sharing this with, I can just go ahead and click on the eye icon on the top menu of Simplified, and it's going to show me what my documents will look like for the people I share this document with. To share my documents, I can go ahead and click the share button on the top menu. And along with sharing, I can also assign each people I'm sharing with, whether they can be the commenter, they can only be viewer, or they can also edit the documents I am sharing with them. Now I'm going to try out another AI tools that they have, which is an AI that are going to answer if I ever ask them some question. So for now, I am going to ask a question, which is, what is social media made for? I want 6 result with creativity level. And here are my results. They are surprisingly longer than I intended them to be, but it's totally fine. Like I have shown you earlier, if the answer that you want is a little bit too long, you can always go ahead and shorten it with the AI tools. And the reason why they're long are probably because I chose the creativity level. So they're literally being super creative with the answer. I'm going to go ahead and choose one of the short answer, and then I'm going to put it into my document. And I'm going to remind you to pay attention to the amount of words that you are using while you are generating your ideas with AI. As you can see, I have used 932 words of mine, so pay attention to that. We don't want to run out of credits while we're in the middle of creating some ideas. Now you can see when I highlight my sentence on the pop-up menu over there, there is a word professional. And what it means is that the tone of the result that they are giving me are professional. And if I want to change that, I can just go ahead and click on the more buttons on the bottom side of my pop-up menu. And as you can see, I can change it into sad, pessimistic, hopeful, joy, funny, or anything. And for now, I'm going to try to see what will they generate for me if I chose the sad tone. Now let's try and read the result. It says that social media platforms are designed to foster connection between individuals, allowing them to engage in various forms of communication. This platform provides a space where users can connect with friends, family, and acquaintances. Up until that part, I don't see anything different from the previous ideas with professional tone. But I began to notice the difference and the sad tone when I scroll into the second page of my result. And you can see on the part that I was pointing at, it definitely has some sad tones in it. So I'm going to go ahead and insert it to my document. Now, once I'm happy with my result, I don't have anything else to add anymore. I can go ahead and export my documents if I ever need to see it online, or I can also upload my documents to some websites such as Shopify and also WordPress. Now that I'm done playing around with the writing AI, I am going to try out another AI tools that they have. As you can see, they have so much AI tools that you can use, whether it's for you to make some copywriting for your website or for your blogging. You also have some AI tools for sales and marketing. But today I'm going to try out one of the simplest AI tools that they have, which is the one to make a presentation. To start off, you can try to select the size of presentation that you want. You can choose either it's going to be 16 by 9, or you can have your presentation in the size of carousel, which is 1 by 1. And after you choose your desired presentation size, you can go ahead and type out the topics of the presentation you would like to make. Pay attention on how AI will going to create your presentation. The topic that you put into the description box is not going to be the main title, but it's just going to be the whole ideas of your presentation. And after that, you can go ahead and click the advanced options if you'd like. Over here, I've clicked the advanced options and I chose my result numbers. I wanted to have 4 results and I want the creativity level to be imaginative. As for the output language, of course, once again, you can change it to however you want it to be, but for now, I'm just going to go ahead and choose English instead. And here are the presentations that Simplified have made for me. As you can see, they chose the Enhancing Wellness, a Professional Perspective of Mental Health as the title. They also created 11 artboard, not just with text, but also complete with different title on each slide and also along with pictures. And of course, the pictures that I put on each slide are AI generated pictures in which you can change, and I'm going to show you how to change the pictures later. And over here, I'm just playing with the displays of my presentation. I can change the background colors. I can change the pictures with another picture that Simplified already have. They also offers videos, GIFs, and also audios that you can use on your presentation. And to input my pictures, I can just go ahead and drag the pictures that I like, and then it's going to automatically fit into the templates that were made by Simplified. Just like any other presentation tools, of course, you can play around with the text, you can change the fonts, you can change the colors of the fonts, you can also play with the size, and you can also play with the text box, whether you want to rotate the angle, you want to make it askew, you can play around with the line height, also with the spacing. And in the visual sections, you will see there's a lot of shapes, lots of stickers that you can choose. And basically, these are the things that you can use if you would like to decorate your presentation. As I said earlier, you can also generate your own pictures if the one that they provided for you are not to your liking. As for now, I'm going to try to generate a pictures of a forest, and what I do is that I just have to type some descriptions of the pictures that I want and go ahead and click generate. And after that, you are going to get the AI pictures. And once again, if you would like to put it into your presentation, you could just go ahead and drag it, and it's going to automatically fit into your templates. And that's it. Creating presentation have never been easier. I hope now you understand how you can use Simplified. Go ahead and explore for some more possibilities. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.